office in La Crosse has issued a flash.
Why did you not go off again?
County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 2 a.m. At 8 p.m., Doppler radar indicated prolonged very heavy rain across the Warren area.
Dang it, I thought this was a
Around
flood
3 inches of
statement.
rain have already fallen. Another 2 inches is expected this evening. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Winona, Arcadia, Moldova, Whitehall, Goodview, Osseo, Blair, Independence, Strum, Buffalo City, Fountain City, Modena, Dodge, Eleva, Wilson, Ettrick, Normandy, Cochrane, Gilmanton, and Pigeon Falls. Excessive rainfall over the Warren area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Be especially cautious at night. Main impact time is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Wednesday for the following county: Winona, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Buffalo and Trempealeau.
Dang, these tunes are loud.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Wednesday for Fillmore and Winona counties. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 2 a.m. Wednesday for Buffalo and Winona counties. A flash flood watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Wednesday for Buffalo, Dodge, Fillmore, Goodview, Houston, Mallard, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona counties. A river flood warning is in effect for the Middle Fork Whitewater River near Whitewater Park. The river will crest at 13.9 feet by 1 a.m. Wednesday. For more information, go to weather.gov/lacrosse. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Tonight, showers and a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall and lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the evening. Precipitation 100%. For Wednesday, cooler, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon.
Oh.
Highs in the upper 60s.
Oh
Northwest
no,
winds
my
15 to
God,
20 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour. Chance of showers 70%.